All right, I'm going to ask you this one question. Ash,
Hit it.
for the last 7 days, I have a couple countries that are arguing over this. I want them to stop. Brand ambassador. Do you want us to use that or not?
I got something better than that for you.
Hit me.
So number one, you can use it. Okay, just to be clear, I can stop right there. But if you want me to add my,
Yes,
little
please.
extra, you make up the title. I don't believe in titles.
Thank you.
People come to the organization and they ask for the fanciest titles. I thought I have no problem. This is, if HR agrees, okay, if it doesn't break the conduct or the structure we have, that's fine. I have no problem. You call me, you're the president, the king, or whatever, but you're worthless to me. It has no value. I don't see titles.
Good.
I don't sign. I don't have a business card. It doesn't represent you. Have you seen an animal CEO? And have you seen a CEO that goes beyond the CEO? So it doesn't matter, the title. It's just not an accurate representation. So a title, in my opinion, is what's earned, okay? Not what's given to you. Yeah, people are going to give you. So when I looked at the whole concept of ONPASSIVE, I said, the people come on board, what is the best title I can give them without doing much? Wasn't the wisest thing I've done, but I gave them founders, practically as a hack. No cost to it, no obligation, no actual qualification. So, but the fact is, even if that is like written on your passport or your identification card, you are founder. Are you really a founder? Let's not talk about you. Do you know somebody that shouldn't be entirely an ONPASSIVE, not even a janitor, needless to say, founder? So that's why it's a false representation to the actual you or your identity. Don't fall into that. If you're looking for a title, make it. If that pleases you, people will call you everything. They would appraise you if you change their life. To me, the best thing, you can call me anything you like. I don't have a specific title, but when you call me a brother, it's the ultimate representation. You can call me a friend. I say, we didn't make it to a brother. Okay. Many people still I deal with them for years and they call me my friend, generic, so that's how I feel. Brand ambassador, first of all, I don't believe every customer nor founding member is a brand ambassador. You don't represent the brand. That's a false name. If you feel you are, give it to yourself. I don't think you want to go by the title, but by the specification. But I will give you something better.
How about if somebody asks us and they said, I want to build a business when I'm passive. Well, then you can be there's got to be something you can say to them, right? Affiliates, okay, right?
You can say, I'm a global ambassador to ONPASSIVE. Is it better? Brand is even unclear. So you're a global ambassador. I'm an ambassador for this movement, yeah, but not something that will imply in any way you have ownership or entitlement, such as I'm a founder, I'm the co-founder of ONPASSIVE. That's insane. So it's how people will play it. But I recommend to fade away from the titles and the entitlement of a title. All right? I'm a user of ONPASSIVE. I'm a member of ONPASSIVE. I'm a part of the movement. And people tell you, people talk about you, okay, not say, hey, I'm a leader. I are a leader. You don't say that, okay? People say about you, he's a leader for what you do for them. So if somebody talks about you, he's a great ambassador for ONPASSIVE. He's an incredible human. He's the Godfather of Oh Bless. I prefer that. He is Mr. Q&A of ONPASSIVE. He is so and so. He's the peacemaker of ONPASSIVE. You earn that. But the best thing is when people call you by your name. Forget the title. It's who is after that title. You could be king, you could be whatever that title or so and so, and then your name. That part, the name after the title, what makes the value of it.